Hey, what's going on? We're sitting here with Dwayne Smith with Liberty Mutual Insurance, and we're answering some questions for homeowners today. So when you buy a home, you have to get homeowners insurance.
Absolutely.
And it's an important thing, obviously.
Absolutely.
And what are some of the items, Dwayne, that homeowner insurance, what does it cover exactly? People probably say, what does this cover? Does it cover flood, this, that?
So it does cover flood, but it's separate. Flood is actually a separate entity.
Okay.
But homeowners insurance cover the dwelling. If you have any attachments and you're doing like a garage or whatever, pools.
Are there times, let me ask you, are there times where people have too much coverage where you might be able to save them money? You could kind of pull back on some things?
Absolutely. So you would value your house because a lot of insurance companies and agents, I may say, will give you the actual cost of the house. And they should do the replacement cost of the house. So we're not insuring, insurance companies are not insuring the land itself, but the house, the dwelling and the properties inside the house.
I didn't know that, okay.
So a lot of people will say, hey, I bought this house for XYZ, but it includes the land and everything like that.
Yeah.
But we just want to do the square footage of the house and every feature on the house itself. That's what we're insuring.
So a lot of people are curious about how their credit affects their insurance rate.
Absolutely.
Does your credit affect your insurance rate?
Well, most companies are a factor. Absolutely, it's a factor. So how that is based, a lot of companies, if you look at they use it to determine if you may have a claim in the future. So the lower your credit score, the higher the possibility of you having a claim in the future. And the higher your credit score, then you're responsible. You're going to be on the edge of looking out for everything. You're going to cover every single thing.
Sure.
Hence, your premium is going to be, you're going to be a preferred customer to the insurance company. So how insurance works, all right, I'm going to put it there.
All right.
You have a basket, all right, and that basket have all the people that is insured.
Okay.
All right. So that pool of money is just held there for a claim. All right. So people do have claim. Houses burn down. We have to build it back from the insurance industry. Have to build it back from scratch. Here comes hurricanes and all those kind of stuff.
Okay.
Right? If we empty that bucket based on all that claim that is happening, how do you think we're gonna pay the next claim if we don't raise the premium?
Okay, Dwayne, you're the specialist. You're the pro with insurance. Okay. Can you give homeowners 3 tips? It can be anything at all. 3 tips to save money on homeowners insurance.
3 tips that I will give is, if you have claims, make sure you keep a track of those claims, because most insurance companies will keep that claim for 5 years. All right, so if you're looking, you keep track of that, so when it comes down to the 4th year, you're gonna see that those are gonna fall off in the 5th year. So what you would want to do is shop around, because that insurance company, even though without any claims, they will give a discount for claim free. Right? Okay. But it's not guaranteed that you're gonna get a discount for claim free when you already passed the 5 years. The second thing is you gotta bundle. Bundle in your products. So if you have a home, bundle your car. Get some life insurance. Get anything, because that's where it's going right now. We're bundling products to actually save you on a lot. So the more you put into that bucket, the more discount you will get off everything combined.
So what type of insurance is, not to get you sideways, but I'm sure our listeners are going to ask this: auto, home,
life, and health. Tip number 3 is don't file small claims.
Okay.
Don't file small claims.
Well, how much would a small claim be in your estimations? $1,000?
1,500, 1,500, whatever it is. You're gonna lose that discount that you got, and then you're gonna pay the surcharges for the claim. So that's 2 hits. 1, because you're just thinking of, oh, I'm just gonna file this claim, but you get 2 hits. So just be mindful when you're doing your claims, and if it's small and you can pay for it, pay for it. All
right, Dwayne, awesome. Pleasure having you here in the Dove Media Studios with us. Thank you very much.
Pleasure to be here.